Hey guys, so you guys should be in the intro to the map games. So every day for probably the next couple weeks, we're going to be doing our mini lesson as a game. So this will be kind of fun. So you guys will be on your social studies page. This should be what it looks like. You should have clicked this and you should scroll down. And today's day one because it is Monday. It is April 20th, okay? And our opening, you should be watching this video right now. If you're doing that, you are off to a really good start. For your mini lesson, you're going to be playing the map game, okay? How do you play the map game? Well, if you scroll down here, you'll see these two links. States and Territories map game and physical features. I want you to play both every single day, okay? So you'll click it and you'll wait a second and you'll scroll down and this is what it looks like. If you put your mouse over it, it says click on Western Australia. Okay, click on Western Australia. So let's take a guess. That's Western Australia. Click on South Australia. Let's take a guess. Yes. Click on Victoria. Very good. New South Wales. Queensland. Northern Territory, and it tells me I got 100% in 31 seconds. Yay! I can click OK, go down here, and I can click restart. Something fun I can also do is click voice.
Western Australia.
And she says Western Australia.
New South Wales.
New South Wales. So she tells you where to go, okay? It's just a game. It's something fun for you guys to do. Now, your other one you can do is the physical features map game. I want you to do both every single day. Scroll down. It's exactly the same. Let's put the voice on. Does it come with a voice? Oh, the sound's on. Okay. It says the Great Victoria Desert. Well, we just learned about that. I believe this is it. There we go. Coral Sea. Coral Sea. Indian Ocean. Great Dividing Range. Great Barrier Reef. 100. Okay, and I can always restart it. Okay, and it'll start all over for you. It's just a game. You guys have to play it every single day. Play as many times as you want, but you got to play it every day, okay? Both of them. Let me know if it works for you guys, okay? Let me know if you run into any issues.